I own and practice law at a law firm in Maple Grove that specializes in estate planning, estate administration, and elder law. Much of our practice focuses on representing elderly clients and clients who are disabled. I'm here to testify in opposition to the proposed bill as it relates to the lack of adequate legal safeguards for protecting our state's most vulnerable citizens. There are many more, but I will mention 4. First, the supposed safeguards in this bill are an evidentiary charade, because Section 13 will rarely, if ever, be enforced. There simply won't be reliable witnesses. When an attempt at coercion is successful, the patient will be deceased. I have tried many will contests, and my office routinely litigates issues of coercion, undue influence, duress, and lack of capacity. These legal theories are easy to allege, but they are extremely difficult to prove in court, and this bill does nothing to protect our state's vulnerable population in that regard. Second, only one witness is required, and this person may be a complete stranger who knows nothing about the patient or her medical history. In other words, it will be easier in this state, in terms of the signing requirements, to get a dose of lethal medication than it will be to execute a simple will or a trust or a power of attorney or even a healthcare directive. Third, once the medication is prescribed, there is no oversight over the pills. There is a provision for disposal, but there are no penalties. This medication could be used on vulnerable people, and we all know that autopsies are almost unheard of in cases involving the elderly or those with chronic illnesses. Fourth, once the pills are prescribed, there is no requirement that administration be witnessed. There is therefore no way of knowing who administered the pills, whether it was the patient or some other person with bad intentions. And because it's presumed the patient self-administered, this statute invites abuse by estate beneficiaries. So I urge the committee to reject this dangerous legislation.